Good morning, everyone. Wish you all a very happy and a prosperous Diwali. Today is 25th October, and I'm Shuchi Rungta with the morning market update. The Nifty had an overwhelming gap up opening and then moved in a tight 20-point range in the Muhurat session yesterday. It made a doji closing at 17,730, 154 points up from the Friday's closing. The banking sector and the capital goods sector outperformed with Larsen, HDFC Twins, ICICI and SBI as the top gainers. The market breadth data is quite interesting. 78% of stocks on Nifty 50 is above its 20 simple moving average, whereas on Nifty 500 this number is only 56%. This indicates that one can focus on stock specific instead of the broader index. The trend remains up, and any dip in the broader markets can be used as an opportunity to buy quality stocks. The FIIs were net sellers of over 150 crores yesterday. The option chain data shows some decent OI addition on the 17,700 put strike. The dollar index is at 111.9, whereas the international markets had a positive trading session with major US indices gaining over 1%. Dow and S&P 500 both have made an immediate bottom on the daily charts, and the short-term trend has turned positive as they trade above their moving averages. To conclude, Nifty's broader range could now be defined as 17,500 to 18,000. The index may attempt to fill the gap created yesterday. Hence, immediate support lies at 17,600 to 650 zone. Levels for the day: Nifty support will be seen at 17,636 and 17,520. Resistance 17,777 and 17,827. For Bank Nifty, support will be seen at 41,000 and 40,600. Resistance 41,430 and 41,650. Thank you.